welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's me Subhangi and you're watching Glam, Mermaid. Welcome back to another exciting video, and today's video will be related to Christmas. So in this video I will create this look for Christmas, which I think is very appropriate to carry this Christmas, because I have tried to keep the theme according to Christmas. Like, I have created it using red, green, and I quite like it. So if you're interested to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. But before moving forward, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then do subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below what you think about this video, obviously after watching this video. And now, without any further ado, let's get started. Another disclaimer: please ignore all the background noises you will hear in this video, because construction is going on and the construction work is going on all the day, and like, I have to shoot, so I really can't help it. I'm really sorry for all the noises. Please bear with the noises. And yeah, now let's go to the video. At first, you have to wash your face, clean your face very nicely, and apply toner. So I have done that before only, so I'm starting with moisturization. So generally we carry this look in night time only, so I am creating this look according to that preference. It's like more of a nighttime look. Okay, so at first I will apply a facial oil. So I'm using the Good Vibes almond oil. Now I'll apply lip balm. For lip balm, I'm using the Plum Candy Melts lip balm, and it's so good. So if you have oily skin, you can just apply a facial oil and start the makeup. But as I have extreme dry skin and winter के time में तो वो और भी dry हो जाता है, that's why I'm like wearing another layer of moisturization, and for that I'm using this Good Vibes moisturizer. And it is in the variant coconut. At first I will wear primer, and for primer today I'm using the NYB brightening primer. This is how it looks. This is the consistency. It provided a glow to my face, which I'm really liking. And now today I'm not using a foundation. You can use foundation if you want, but I'm not like feeling to wear foundation, so I'm using concealer. And for concealer today I'm using the Swiss Beauty concealer, which is very affordable yet very good. So I'm using this, and I'm in the shade 01. I'm using it under my eyes, on my eyelids, to use it as a eyeshadow base, on the bridge of my nose. And also I'm spot correcting. I'm using it a little extra because I'm not going to use a foundation, that's why. Okay. Now I'm taking the PAC 218 concealer blending brush, and I'll blend everything out.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me.
This is how my base looks. So if you have oily skin, you can slightly set under your eyes and mouth area and nose area. But if you have dry skin or extreme dry skin like me, then I will suggest कि winter के time पे don't go for setting powder. It dries your skin so much and it gives you patches, dry patches. So I'm not using any setting powder today. I'm just leaving it like this. Now I'll use my contour, and for contour today I'm using the 20 something cupcakes.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.
Now I'll use blush, and for blush today I'm using this. This is the e.l.f. blush and highlighter duo, and this is the shade Lychee, and this is how it looks from inside. This is the blush, this is the highlighter. At first I'll use the blush. I'm taking a powder brush and applying the blush. Okay, it's like color is there, but it's not supremely pigmented. And for my skin, it's not showing up that much. I think this particular shade is for fair skin girls, not me. Like dusky skin के ऊपर ये उतना ज़्यादा show ही नहीं हो रहा है. Now I'll apply the highlighter from the same palette. The highlighter is very good. It's very pigmented. My face is done. Now I'll move to the eyes. At first I'm filling my brows. So for brows I'm using my all-time favorite Miss Clear eyebrow cake. This is such a good thing. And I'm mixing these two shades and filling my eyebrows. And then I'm taking the pulley and mixing everything out. Now I'll move to the eyeshadow. I've already applied the eyeshadow base. I have applied the concealer only. And today for my eyeshadow, I'm using this palette. This is such a good colorful eyeshadow palette. This is the Makeup Revolution Tammy X Revolution eyeshadow palette. And let me open it. This is how the color looks. It has all the beautiful colors and you get a mirror. Okay, so today I am going to create a Christmassy look. So I will go with red and green mostly. So for my crease today I'm using this green color. Tapping off the excess. Continue to pack it until you get your desired pigmentation. Okay, now I'll take a lighter green shade and I'll blend it out. I'm taking this shade, light green shade, and I'm mixing it, blending it. Now I'll apply which shade? There are two reds. I'm confused. So I've decided to go with this red. I'm taking this red shade and I'm applying it in my lids.
Open eye.
Now I'll apply some glitters and I'll use this glitter. I'm using my finger for that and I will apply it on my eyelid. I'll apply it just on the centers of my eyelid. And I'll take a green glitter as well. And I'll apply it just above that. Yeah. I'm taking this brush. I'm picking up this eyeshadow glitter. And I'm just applying it. This is how my eye is looking. I'll apply the same green shade on the lower lash line as well. Now I'll take this golden shade or coppery shade and I'll place it on the inner corners, not inner corner, in this area. And I'll take this shade, like the green shade, and I'll apply it on the outer corner. And my eyeshadow is almost done. I'm taking this powder brush and dusting off the fallouts. Okay. Please ignore the background noises. I just can't help it. It's just going on and I can't wait. Christmas is locking the door when I will shoot. So sorry for the noise. I've created a winged eyeliner. I'm planning to add something extra, so I'm taking a silver eyeliner and applying small dots.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me.
It's looking so nice. What say? I will do one more thing. I have red eyeliner from Cuffs and Lashes. I will apply small dots on my crease area. Now I will apply some mascara and I will finish off the eyes. So for regular wear, I don't go for my eyelashes. So you can wear eyelashes if you feel or if you want. But I will not wear eyelashes. So I'm not wearing it today. By the way, for mascara today I'm using this Colossal mascara. This is how my eyes are looking. So I'll do the same with the other eye and I'll be back. So I've done the same thing with this eyes and I'm back. So I'm not happy with the pigmentation of my blush. So I'm using this shade. And I'm slightly using this shade as my blush. विंटर के टाइम में ना थोड़ा रेड चिक्स अच्छा लगता है. I like it personally. I don't know, but I like it. So now I'll set my face using this setting spray by Insight. So now I'll apply lipstick and finish off this look. So for lipstick today I'm using this lipstick by Matte Me. It's a red lipstick. This is how the shade looks. This is how my makeup looks. I'll just do something with my hairs and I'll be back. So I put on some earrings, some bracelets and a Santa cap, and this is how my makeup for Christmas looks like. I think it's very appropriate for Christmas, and I'm loving the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow is the main game for this look, and yeah, I think it's looking pretty nice. What do you think about this look? And red lips and green and red eyeshadow is like perfect combo for Christmas. So yeah, this is the final look.
Open eye, feel the way.
So that's about the video. I hope you like this look and this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below what you think about this look, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And we will meet very very soon with another exciting video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye.
Open eye, feel the